Comparison of Galaxy A54, Galaxy A53 and Galaxy A52S. Now we will talk about display. Display type. Display size. Refresh rate. Resolution. Screen to body ratio. Display PPI density. Screen protection. Now we will talk about build quality. Height. Width. Thickness. Weight. Water resistant. Camera specifications. Rear camera Galaxy A54. Rear camera Galaxy A53. Rear camera Galaxy A52S. Front camera. Performance. Chipset. Processor. Graphic unit. Operating system. Storage. RAM memory. Internal memory. Battery. Capacity. Fast charging. Sensors. Connectivity. Network. NFC. Port type. Headphone jack. Price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.